welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a magical herbal drink which is a great immune booster also. So I'll start with the ingredients. Here I have taken 1/4 spoon of black pepper, 1/4 spoon of ginger powder, some 7 to 8 raisins, this is Munakka, small stick of cinnamon, some 12 to 15 basil leaves, 2 spoons of jaggery and 1 small lemon juice. And here I have taken 2 mugs of water. So we'll start with the preparation now. Firstly, I'm going to pour water into this. After this, I'll add cinnamon stick, basil leaves and Munakka. So we'll be keeping the flame high. See, it has started boiling. Now I'll wait for a minute or two. After that I'll start adding other ingredients. Guys, let me tell you that whatever the ingredients that I have taken, the 7 ingredients that I have taken, they all are great immune booster, and they have other medicinal properties as well. For example, if I talk about basil leaves, then they are excellent source of antioxidants, and it fights depression also. If I talk about cinnamon stick, then it controls blood sugar. Or if I talk about raisins, Munakka, so that is very good for dry cough. So now I'll start adding the things. Firstly, I'm going to add dry ginger powder, black pepper powder, black pepper, and jaggery. So I'm going to again boil it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after filtering the drink, I'm going to add lemon juice. See guys, it's done. I'm going to enjoy the drink. Let me tell you one more thing, that this drink has been approved by Aayush Ministry as well. So do try this. You can have it twice in a day. Amazing immune booster, as I said. So we'll be coming back with a new drink, healthy drink rather, right, soon. So please wait for my video, and do share and subscribe to my channel. We'll be coming back soon. Take care. Bye bye.